Doctors around the world are working on a vaccine against COVID-19. WHO tests the vaccines, and it is hoped that in the near future drugs will appear in the public domain. As told to the BBC in Inovio Research Center in San Diego, where the testing will last a few months, but even if they are successful, on the advent of the vaccine, you can count only towards the middle of next year. On Friday, about the beginning of the vaccine trial, COVID-19 was announced by the Russian Rospotrebnadzor. In a press service of the ministry talk about the emergence of vaccine in the fourth quarter of 2020. RBC reports that the drug is tested on animals. Informed about testing potential vaccines on humans, announced two hospitals in Boston. In the program, the Massachusetts Central Hospital involved 3 volunteers, but some of them will get a placebo. Specialists of Research Center of Kaiser Permanente in Seattle experimentally vaccinated 4 volunteers, reported on 17 Mar. They were inoculated containing the genetic code of the coronavirus. On Tuesday, the Chinese company CanSino Biologics announced that its version of the vaccine is called Ad5-nCoV, approved for the first phase of clinical trials. The vaccine contains a fragment of the genetic code of the virus, according to Newsweek. Optimization testing for coronavirus is an important aspect of the epidemic. Some European countries and the United States faced a shortage of testing kits. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson this week pledged that Britain virus test 25,000 people daily. But on Wednesday, the head of the British College of Physicians, Martin Marshall, acknowledged that Britain faced a shortage of tests COVID-19. In addition, scientists are developing new methods of testing for the virus. On Thursday, the first successful test of a new technique reported by a team of scientists from Israel. This method of molecular testing can span several samples at the same time, say its developers. In Europe and the United States, several companies this week released rapid tests to detect coronavirus in the home. However, in America there is a problem with licensing. While neither of these sets has not received a license from the Office of Sanitary Inspection of the USA. British Prime Minister also has promised to buy the rapid tests for antibodies to coronavirus. They look like pregnancy tests. People will be able to check, will they, COVID-19. This is important because many people are no symptoms of the disease, they are virus carriers. People who have been ill and got immunity will be able to return to normal life without the threat of infecting others.